In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find and see your account performance history in FxPro. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your FxPro account and then go to your trade by just clicking on this trade. And for this case, I'm going to use FxPro Edge terminal. Once you're in your terminal, to see your previous or performance history, just head over to this icon here and click on it. Now here you'll be able to see your performance for the previous 1 month, for 1 week, or even for that particular day. You can also go as far as 1 year as well as all time, and that data should be available for you to see. From the report, you should be able to see your total trades, your sum trades, your average profit stroke losses per trade, as well as your profitable trades rate. And here is a division of profits by instrument as well as loss by instrument according to your account. So that's how you can find your account performance history in FxPro. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.